whoa. No,
But
Colin's in here with all the
but
Marine
these
questions tonight.
Marine guys, they're just somewhat demanding, aren't they? I
Right?
mean, I saw that when I was at the Vancouver Boat Show.
So,
Can you get a hold of this? I'm on my 26-foot boat, and can I Bluetooth to the radio at the stern while I'm at the bow? Is there an app for the ICM 510 to the ham radio so you can use it via phone around the house?
Whoa. Wait, we're mixing technologies there. So an app for the M510. Yes, we do have an app for the M510. It'll allow you to have up to 3 Wi-Fi wireless command mics for the M510.
That is awesome.